Hi, welcome to this session. Getting started OOPS concept. This is the lecture is continuing from our previous course, that is basics. So here you will identify C# intermediate on OOPS. The course is for intermediate C# developers. This course is for you may use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system or any other device which you are using to play video lectures. How to get and help? Check with your knowledge using examples and exercises. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search for a techniques. Where Stack Overflow is queries answered super seniors and with the expertise result oriented techniques will be shared there. Submit your questions and how ask QA forums for detail on what you have tried with screenshot or error code practiced within your hands. How to approach the course? The best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with notebook, extra information for practice, which we shared a assessment test to practicing of solution. Review the certain information by reading examples, the parts of video sessions. Assessment and solution. You will be assigned a simple assessment on most sections of this course. The journey to be test your skills levels, which is based on your previous lectures. Anyhow, you will be guided the solution for this assessment. You will be assigned a simple assessment to testing your knowledge levels, what you have learned so far. I hope you will be inside the course. Thank you.